Hello everyone, welcome back to JP Study Corner. Today we are going to see full list of Tamil Nadu Cabinet and Council of Ministers. Chief Minister DMK President MK Stalin is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. He will hold other portfolios including Public, General Administration, Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, other All India Service, District Revenue Officers, Police, Home, Special Initiatives, Special Program Implementation, Welfare of Differently Abled Person. Mr. Thuraimurugan appointed as Minister for Water Resources. He will hold the portfolios including irrigation projects, Legislative Assembly, Governor and Ministry, Elections and Passports, Minerals and Mines. Mr. K. N. Nehru appointed as Minister for Municipal Administration. He will hold the portfolios including Municipal Administration, Urban and Water Supply. Mr. I. Periyasamy appointed as Minister for Cooperation. He will hold the portfolios including Cooperation, Statics and Ex-Servicemen Welfare. Mr. K. Ponmudi appointed as Minister for Higher Education. He will hold the portfolios including Higher Education, Technical Education, Electronic Science and Technology. Mr. E. V. Velu appointed as Minister for Public Works. He will hold the portfolios including Public Works, Building Highways and Minor Ports. Mr. M. R. K. Paneerselvam appointed as Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. He will hold the portfolios including Agriculture, Agricultural Engineering, Agro-Service Cooperatives, Horticulture, Sugarcane Excise, Sugarcane Development and Wasteland Development. Mr. K. K. S. S. R. Ramachandran appointed as Minister for Revenue and Disaster Management. He will hold the portfolios including Revenue, District Revenue Establishment, Deputy Collectors, Disaster Management. Mr. Tangam Tennarasu appointed as Minister for Industries. He will hold the portfolios including Industries, Tamil Official Language and Tamil Culture, Archaeology. Mr. Raghupati appointed as Minister for Law. He will hold the portfolios including Law, Courts, Prisons and Prevention of Corruption. Mr. S. Muthuswamy appointed as Minister for Housing and Urban Development. He will hold the portfolios including Housing, Rural Housing, Town Planning Projects and Housing Development, Accommodation Control, Town Planning, Urban Development and Chennai Metropolitan Development Authority. Mr. K. R. Perikarappan appointed as Minister for Rural Development. He will hold the portfolios including Rural Development, Panchayat and Panchayat Unions, Poverty Alleviation Programs and Rural Interdependence. Mr. T. M. Anbarasan appointed as Minister for Rural Industries. He will hold the portfolios including Cottage Industries, Small Industries, Slum Clearance Board. Mr. M. P. Saminathan appointed as Minister for Information and Publicity. He will hold the portfolios including Information and Publicity, Film Technology and Cinematograph Act, News Print Control, Stationery and Printing, Government Press. P. Geeta Jeevan appointed as Minister for Social Welfare and Women Empowerment. She will hold the portfolios including Women and Children Welfare, Social Welfare, Orphanages and Correctional Administration, Integrated Child Development Scheme and Beggar Homes and Social Reforms and Nutritious Meal Program. Mr. Anita R. Radhakrishnan appointed as Minister for Fisheries and Fishermen Welfare. He will hold the portfolios including Fisheries, Fishermen Development Corporation and Animal Husbandry. Mr. S. R. Rajakannappan appointed as Minister for Transport. He will hold the portfolios including Transport, Nationalized Transport and Motor Vehicle Act. Mr. K. Ramachandran appointed as Minister for Forest. Mr. R. Chakrabani appointed as Minister for Food and Civil Supplies. He will hold the portfolios including Food and Civil Supplies, Consumer Protection and Price Control. Mr. Chendal Balaji appointed as Minister for Electricity, Prohibition and Excise. He will hold the portfolios including electricity, non-conventional energy development, prohibition and excise. Mr. R. Gandhi appointed as Minister for Handloom Textiles. He will hold the portfolios including handlooms and textiles, Khadi and Village Industries Board, Poodan and Gramdan. Mr. M. Subramaniam appointed as Minister for Medical and Family Welfare. He will hold the portfolios including health, medical education and family welfare. Mr. P. Murthy appointed as Minister for Commercial Taxes and Registration. He will hold the portfolios including Commercial Taxes, Registration and Stamp Act, Weights and Measures, Debt Relief including legislation on money lending, chits and registration of companies. Mr. S. S. Sivasankar appointed as Minister for Backward Classes and Welfare. He will hold the portfolios including Backward Classes Welfare, Most Backward Classes Welfare and Dignified Communities Welfare. Mr. P. K. Sekhar Babu appointed as Minister for Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments. Mr. Palanivel Tyagarajan appointed as Minister for Finance, Human Resource Management. He will hold the portfolios including Finance, Planning, Personal and Administrative Reforms, Pension and Pension Allowance. Mr. S. M. Nazar appointed as Minister for Milk and Dairy Development. Mr. Jinji K. S. Mazdan appointed as Minister for Minorities Welfare and Non-Resident Tamil Welfare. Mr. Anpil Magesh Poyyamali appointed as Minister for School Education. Mr. Siva V. Mayyanathan appointed as Minister for Environment and Sports Development. He will hold the portfolios including Environment and Pollution Control, Youth Welfare and Sports Development. Mr. C. V. Ganeshan appointed as Minister for Labour Welfare and Skill Development. He will hold the portfolios including Labour Welfare, Population, Employment and Training, Census, Urban and Rural Employment. Mr. T. Manoj Thangaraj appointed as Minister for Information Technology. Mr. M. Madhivendan appointed as Minister for Tourism. He will hold the portfolios including Tourism and Tourism Development Corporation. Mrs. N. Kayalvili Selvaraj appointed as Minister for Adi Dravidar Welfare. She will hold the portfolios including Adi Dravidar Welfare, Hill Tribes and Bonded Labour Welfare. Thanks for watching.